When it comes to fertilizing your lawn and garden, there's no shortage of products on the market today. But did you know there's a fertilizer that's been greening lawns without burning since 1926? It's Milorganite. The name is derived from milk, as in Milwaukee, where it's made. Orga for organic, since it's composed of 85% organic matter, which nourishes plants and feeds the soil. And nite, from nitrogen. The slow-release nitrogen provides even growth and better root development and feeds for up to 8 to 10 weeks after applying. A question we've heard for years is it poop in a bag? We understand why that question comes up. Milorganite is the end result of the wastewater treatment process in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This environmentally friendly and sustainable fertilizer is composed of microbes that eat the organic material in wastewater. Once they finish their meal, the clean water is returned to Lake Michigan, and the microbes are heat-dried into Milorganite fertilizer. So, it's a recycling process that brings you the greenest grass and healthiest gardens. Let's hear what some of Milorganite's customers across the country have to say about why they use it year after year. It's easy to apply and makes my lawn look great. Kurt from Dyersburg, Tennessee. Great results, great product. Andrew from North Andover, Massachusetts. This is the secret ingredient for lawns. Steve from Santa Ana, California. Love some organic, old-fashioned Milo. There's nothing better. Jonathan from Apopka, Florida. It's easy to see why Milorganite customers are customers for life. When you apply as directed, Milorganite is safe for your family, pets, and the environment. With Milorganite, you don't have to worry about streaks, stripes, or burning your lawn, even in the hottest temperatures or driest conditions. It won't burn tender seedlings and can be used when spreading grass seed. And you don't have to water Milorganite in. It will stay in the soil, ready to work when moisture becomes available. Grass needs iron for long-lasting, vibrant green results. Milorganite delivers organically complex iron throughout the feeding period. You'll get the lush, green lawn you've always envisioned. And because it's slow-released, it's good for the environment and your lawn and garden. The nutrients release at a rate plants can use, while the risk of it leaching into groundwater is reduced. So, when should you apply Milorganite to your lawn? It's recommended you follow a holiday schedule for applying Milorganite during the growing season, about every 8 to 10 weeks. The schedule you use to fertilize depends on whether you have northern cool season grass or southern warm season grass. For more information on how and when to apply Milorganite to your landscape and lawn, visit milorganite.com. Milorganite, for better results.